Air Force, served 9 years, and I came back home, played sport for Scotland, netball and touch rugby. So I've been involved with sport and had a love of it all my life. So I've been a fitness instructor for about 5 or 6 years now. About 5 or 6 years ago, I could feel on my hip that the mobilisation was quite restricted. Things like putting on a sock or a shoe, but not enough to stop me doing my daily life. And it was only in the last 18 months that the pain got a bit worse and unable to sleep. So that's when I thought I need to do something about this. But I kept putting it off. The fear was, will I be able to do what I love doing? So I continued what I did for my job, but it meant I was in a lot of pain afterwards. And it had a huge impact. I had no quality of life. I had a consultation with Mr. Duthie and I could clearly see on the x-rays the 2 hips and the one that was damaged. So he talked me through it and kind of knew in my heart it was arthritis, but still a shock when you realise that I'm quite young to have arthritis. I had to cry in front of him and he was so empathetic. He was totally understanding and gave me lots of options as well as the surgery. But if I didn't have surgery, we were just delaying the inevitable. From the second I've walked in, I cannot praise every single person highly enough. I had total trust and confidence in Mr. Duthie. A lot of people imagine this life-size robot actually doing the procedure, but it's not. The surgeon still does most of the work. The Mako is just there to place the prosthesis with pinpoint accuracy from the CT scans that we have before. It's frustrating when your body fails you, lets you down, and I had some dark moments when I thought, I'm not going to be able to do this again, and I really believed I couldn't. The second I came out of surgery and was awake, they got me out of bed straight away with a physio. I spent a lot of time with the physios in the hospital, and when you leave after surgery, they have a plan set for you. I was in hospital almost a week, 4 days, got home, had a week rehabbing, and each day I saw improvements. So by the end of the second week, I was back teaching, and I was very emotional. I had to fight back the tears of joy, because I couldn't believe I was back doing what I absolutely love doing. The pain I had pre-surgery was arthritic pain, and that's gone. And the pain that I had post-surgery is totally different. That's just the muscles and tendons settling back down, and I knew that would get better. Arthritic pain only got worse, so I was happy. I just happened to be there at the right time. This was brand new technology, it just arrived at Albyn. Ideal candidate for it. It was just everything coming together at the right time for me. I just want to carry on doing what I was doing, and I'm able to do it better than I did before. I've got better mobilisation, I'm in less pain, sleeping better. I'm just going onwards and upwards.